have taken a decision in 1995, first time, okay, I will go in real estate industry. With no money, I able to start a real estate business by inviting some investors in the company. And first property we bought in 1995 from the income tax auction, where we started the real estate business. 1995 till 2000, I was able to understand in the industry and able to do 5 projects in this 5 years. As soon as I started the work, because of lack of knowledge, I will say, I've come up a lot of challenges. And the biggest challenge and biggest problem came in 1997, when we was ready to launch the first project. The market collapsed, crisis was started, and from 97 to 2000, we was in a downside of the cycle. But luckily, IT was taking birth in India. I was the first person who was able to start the first IT park in Pune, and we got a fantastic success on that. And because of that success of first IT park, we become one of the pioneer in developing IT in Pune. From 2000 to 2010, we have done 10 IT projects in Pune.
I started real estate brokering first in the year 1995. For 5 years I did real estate brokering, and then in the year 2000, my friend, very dear friend, Mr. Arvind Jain, who was already into this industry, I approached him and I asked him, can we work together? And that is where that day we established this Pride Purple group. Sales were a big challenge in 2000. So the best thing what we thought, both of us, myself and Arvind, when we bought the land, why not we create a product which is not there in that area. My first project is 5 Gardens, which is having more than 225 row houses and very small houses. The row house area is hardly 1200 square feet, 1400 square feet, 1500 square feet. So it is equivalent to a flat, but a concept of a bungalow. So marketing became easier for us. We tried to convince people that why do you want to enter into a flat? Enter into your own property, into your own house, into your own bungalow, which was a dream for them. So that is how we started off, and that is how we picked up the sales and successfully completed that project within that period which we had in mind. Since we had created a goodwill in that area, we thought, let us concentrate in that area itself. It will be faster and easier for us to create a brand. And that strategy worked out. And since then, even today, if you go to see, majority of our projects are in Western Pune, because we have created a brand over there.
We have to go beyond our commitments. If we give a commitment, we will deliver a certain thing in 10 days, we try to deliver 9 days. That's what we trying to keep our values. Then plus we also believe how to develop people within us. So whatever people are with us, they should get opportunity to grow themselves. Because if they grow, the companies grow. These are the 2 basic values what we keep. Hence, you will find people are transparent here. People are try to deliver what they promise more than that.
The vision we always had in mind was to be one of the top 5 companies in India, for which we are struggling very hard, and by 2025 we definitely want to be one of the top 5 companies in India, and we will be with the kind of growth we are having year on year, the kind of determination we have in our minds.
As our group mission is that just create a properties for the people who are going to enjoy for years together. Even after 50 years, I want to see that, oh wow, this building I have created. And even the people who had bought that premises from you, they should feel proud of it. In a nutshell, I want to create a happiness in and around me, in the industry, in the customers, and in the city.
We are into a niche market wherein we are concentrating, or we are building a product which is catering to the higher middle class and the middle class. So we are not too much into fancy buildings. Myself and Arvind are very, very keen when we design any complex is we see to it that there is maximum open spaces in the complex. Lot of light is falling into each and every room of the building. Then there is proper air ventilation. Parking is not a constraint. Then again, the children play area is not clashing with the vehicle movement. Privacy of the flats is well maintained. So many such things we take care. Finally, we approve the designs with the architects.
When we plan our projects or when we deliver a product, any product what we design or see or this, so I always tell at every level of my employee or myself also, I'm buying that house. I'm going to stay in that house. Start thinking that way. Then the creative things start coming out of that.
Basically, since we are into this middle class and the higher middle class community of Pune, we thought that to give them a good product at a reasonable cost, we have to move a little away from the city, where the land is cheaper and where we can create such spaces for them. So the moment we step a little out of the city, then other amenities become very important for us. That if we were supposed to live there, then why should we go and live there? Do we have good schools? Do we have good open spaces? Do we have good shopping areas? Do we have a hospital or a dispensary facility? Do we have clubhouses where we can, spend our time? So when these things came in our mind, we designed the complexes in such fashion that they have all these facilities within them. And that is how our first township at Wakad, Park Street, became very famous and we successfully completed. After the success of that first township, as a policy decided that let us do more townships because we have gathered a niche name in that and we are capable of delivering. So then after that we have bought 2-3 more big parcels of land where we have started townships. At Pride Purple, we strongly believe that the growth of the company will always depend on two things. One is the people you possess, which is our strength, and second is what you can deliver in the market, which is something very different from what others are creating. So if we have these two things in place, we will definitely have growth year on year, and that is what we've been enjoying all these past years.
One of the customer who bought an apartment from me, he was NRI, who just came to India and he bought a single apartment for me. After 1.5 years when I delivered this apartment to him, and during the communication of that 1.5 year with him, he invited me to his country, Kenya. And I went to meet him, and there he collected all of his friends. All that friend has bought more than 10 crore stock for me in 1997, which was very big thing happened for me.
Post-globalization, India was exposed to the world all of a sudden, and people have travelled all over the world in a very short span. And they have started to demand those facilities which they see abroad in India. So automatically, the construction methodology has changed, the specifications in the flats have changed, the quality what the customers are expecting has gone high. All these have tried to change our industry from an unorganized industry to an organized industry.
Cement industry require a stone, petrol industry require a well of oil, the real estate industry require a land bank. And our most strong point is today we are holding a huge land bank which can be developed for coming 25 years. Because of our creative idea and having land bank in hand, I am sure our growth can be maintained to 20 to 25% per annum. Few policy decisions we have taken in a group when we started to Pride Purple Group. One is to work in a quality product. The second call what we have taken financially, we will not be a heavily leveraged company. Because of we are not leveraged today, we are comfortable and we are able to deliver to our customer things on time, and we are not under the pressures.
Recently there was a real estate regulator which has been sanctioned by the center, and that has come into place. Now with this RERA, Real Estate Regulatory Authority, not many players who are not organized will be washed out of this industry, and there will be only serious players in the industry which will now benefit the end user, and people like us who are already organized will be benefited all the more because the competition which we had to face from the unorganized guys will not be there. So we were the first to implement possession guarantee, and we mentioned this in the purchaser agreement so that the purchaser is confident that we will deliver and they will get these guarantees. These guarantees were, if there is a delay in possession from our side, we will pay penalty from our side by way of shelling out rent which the customer is bearing since the customer is not able to shift into our apartments. That was a very bold decision taken by ourselves.
In coming years, as we plan only the large township, virtue of the large township, we are giving a great community to the people. Buildings everybody builds, but we trying to build a community, we trying to build the people, we trying to make a place for the children to play and grow in that complexes. And virtue of that experience, what they will get, world-class experience they will get in our project, we want to achieve our position in the top 5 in India in coming years.